Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2024 Nissan Altima and I will show you how to enable or disable the lane departure assist. This video should apply to 6th generation of Nissan Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. To access this option, you'll be using these menu buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, and you'll be looking at this small screen in the middle of the instrument cluster. So first you want to keep pressing the right button to scroll through the menu options. You want to get to the settings, so all the way to the right. And once you are here, you will scroll down to driver assistance by this down button and then select it by pressing OK. And here you want to scroll down to lane, press OK again, and you have two options here: lane departure warning and lane departure prevention. Now the prevention, this one is turned on right now, so if I drive and I get out of the lane, the vehicle should align me back to the lane. And lane departure warning, this is just the warning to let you know that you are out of your lane. Now to disable or disable these options, you just want to press again this OK button on each of them. So this is now, both of them are turned off, and if I do this, both of them are turned on. And you can play with these settings and then you can go for a drive and see how this actually works on this vehicle. Yeah. But this is a quite nice safety feature which can help you while you drive. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.